Hi Strike team, it's Lindsay here, showing off some of our new products for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. We've got in-vehicle solutions, mobile field accessories like cases and tempered glass. Love to show them to you now. Now taking a look at one of Strike's flagship products, the Strike Alpha Cradle. This one here is for the S24. You can see here this is a professionally installed version. We do also sell the self-installation version, which is going to come with a cigarette lighter as well as a windscreen mount. Our professional install version coming with a swivel mount for dash mounting and also a hardwired power supply, which I'll show you shortly. A few of the features of the unit. So it's crash tested, so that's very important for our enterprise customers. We've got a built-in antenna for any customers chasing external gain on the cellular network. It is going to be compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with the wired versions, and it is compatible with the industry standard amps mounting pattern, as well as being fast charging for these power hungry devices. So opening up the box, as mentioned, this is our professional install version. So we have our S24 cradle head, is what we call this. So as you can see here, inbuilt USB-C to C type power, an SMA connector for an external antenna. Really easy to use once installed. Simply dock the phone down onto the USB-C, and then we've got fast charging and data pass through if it is a cabled version and not one of our wireless charging options, which are also available here. Also included in the box is our power supply. So that's going to be hardwired into 12 or 24 volts. Greater with the use of a voltage reducer, and also our swivel mount. So that can be used in a range of different scenarios, up on a dash or basically anywhere with a flat surface. On the back of the device, the cradle, we've got the industry standard amps mounting pattern. So if you're a business user and you've got a niche mounting opportunity, whether that's a forklift, a heavy duty mount off a clamp base or something like that, this is going to speak to the RAM pattern, which we also sell here at Strike. This is in stock here at Strike, and we hope you like it. Please get in touch with us via the contact details in the description below.